Well, I am ninja, he's ninja, she is ninja too. I am ninja, we are ninja, but I believe that you are ninja too.
Checking the microphone for the vacation episode. Maggie from England asks a ninja! I tried to go into an English accent there at the end. I don't think it would, governor. Where did ninjas go on vacation? Maggie, I feel you. I understand where you're coming from. The initials of your country are ugh. I bet you just want to get out of there as often as possible. Ninjas are the same way. We need a good vacation every now and then to recharge our batteries of death. Smart ninjas find balance. And I don't mean like on a blade of grass. That's easy. I mean work and play. That's the difficult one. Because ninjas, we like to play as lethally as we work. Places to go. For the family, it is hard to beat Disney World. I mean, if you like spinning around, give this place a whirl, dad joke. Personally, my favorite ride is the Whipper. They chain you to an actual cow and throw you into an F-12 tornado. It took me 2 days to walk back from that ride and 3 showers to wash up. Cows get sticky when they start spinning. While you're there, go ahead and throw the kids on Huge World. I know it seems cheesy, but you know what? If you play along, it's a good time. It's basically just floating in a boat on a river of hydrochloric acid while giant ants and giant panthers and giants and pretty much giant everything tried to eat you. But, you know, you have to. You can't go to Disney World and then not go on Huge World. Plus that song, it's catchy. It's a huge world trying to kick you. It's a huge world trying to punch you. It's a huge world trying to cut and slice and cut and punch and twist and crack you. It's a huge, deadly world. If you're a history buff, you have got to check out the Hidden Pyramids of Canada. You get to stay in the burial chamber that's possessed by an ancient Canadian pharaoh. I'm sorry, but if you know of a better way to spend a week than trying to figure out the cryptic clues to destroy an undead royal soul before he takes over your flesh for his own, I would love to hear it. For the lovers, I honestly think you can't beat Club Dead. I know, it's a little bit commercial, but what is more romantic than an active volcano? Lava surfing, really, really, really hot tubs, Ganesha geisha massages. The whole place just has this feeling of class, and it's as if the place says, we want to kill you with love. Mwah. That's a kiss of death right there. The grounds are great, but honestly, you may never even leave your room. I'm serious, because everything in the minibar is either a poison or an anti-poison. Kind of a fun game to try and figure out. Places not to go. First off, the Flambéa Char Pits. The place sucks. They promise you 45 caverns of unrelenting heat and fire-breathing beasts. What they really give you is about 5 hallways of fabricated boring. It's all fake stone and unrelenting heat. Really? When did 150 degrees become unrelenting? My goodness, fire-breathing beast, right. All they are just animatronic animal robots that shoot butane flames out of their mouths. I mean, that's like a slightly dangerous tiki room. Mount Crushmore? Skip it. It's barely a stop and definitely not a destination. It's supposed to be these 4 big, scary stone giants who are trying to eat all the organic life on the planet. Lame-o! They're slow. I mean, I haven't seen rocks move that slowly since the last Dwayne Johnson movie. Thanks for the question, Maggie. I look forward to relaxing your life soon. Hey-ya. This episode is sponsored by Doritos Collisions. 2 flavors in 1 bag.
D to the O to the R to the I to the T to the O to the S, Doritos.
Go to snackstrongproductions.com to try and make a song as flippin' awesome as that. Lucky for you, had my Daikon 2000 with me on my last trip. Here's a couple slides. There's me checking in. There's me killing the bellboy. There's me, see that pile of flesh over in the corner? That was an ogre tried to take my passport. Here's us jumping out of the plane. Didn't want to wait for it to land. Here's a couple that we met. Killed them. Here's another couple that we met. Killed them too. They were nice though. Here's the manager of the hotel. Killed him. Here's the bellboy. Killed him. Car that we rented. Blew it up. Oh, there's me. My new shirt. The black shirt. Look good on me. Don't you think? Only real Asking Ninja fans are still watching the episode right now. Don't tell anybody, but we just started a new community section that's got like, you know, whatever it is that you want from your social network, but it's just for ninjas, so really, shh. Just you, go to fans.askingninja.com. Let's really try and keep this just for ninjas and cool people. And hot chicks.